What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I haven't even opened this yet, and I want to review it on YouTube. So you're gonna get my first reaction on this. I've been wanting to open this for so long. So there we go. Got that thing open. Okay. It's been in the car for a little while, so it's kind of cold. This is so cool. It's freezing. Like when you poke it, can't see the poke marks. Thing is, though, I can feel like rocks and things in it. I haven't even, I just got it. This is quite cool, like it's really cold. So it's not as stretchy as it looks in the box. Freezing. Like, I don't even know if there is stuff in this, but it just feels that way. By the way, guys, we won our first basketball game. Oh, that I posted a video on earlier for the good walk, and I think I'll give me plenty of good luck. So this slime is like freezing. That's why I'm trying to I don't even know if I can make it. Wish you could feel this. It's literally freezing. But if you like stiff slimes, this is definitely the thing to get. It's called, I'll just put it up. That. Like, it stretches, but like, it's not very stretchy. It's more wobbly than stretchy. And jiggly. Hey, Caroline, come here. So, I'm gonna let her feel the slime. It's like freezing. Apparently, she's not coming. So, like, this is so stretchy. It's amazing. Like, I mean, it's stiff, like I said before, but it's still really stretchy. And it's starting to, like, come apart. Like, it's not in one piece. Like, see? Like, I can barely even stretch this the way I want to because they won't stick together. And this scent smells like paint, honestly. So, I think I may have found what's in there. They're just like little glitters and here and there. Karate belts. So it's a different background today. Because it's way behind me. It's literally freezing. That was not a very good stroll. So, I mean, maybe if I had like a heater or something, that would help me heat this thing up. I mean, maybe I'll be able to play with it a little bit more, but... So, yes, I recommend this if you like stiff slimes. If you like stretchy slime, like really stretchy slimes, like the kinds that's like this and it doesn't break like that, like you could do it like just a piece of this, like it won't break. This is not the slime for you. And if you like your, I think everybody wants to like their slimes to stay together. This slime doesn't too well. So I don't know if I've mentioned this in another video yet, but I am thinking about starting a slime shop. So I'll update you on that. But this is like if I was watching this video, I would be like, oh, okay, I have to get this. And I don't know where she got this for me. We played Secret Santa and we went to a Christmas party yesterday. And this is what the Secret Santa person got from me. So, which what Nicole had made. So, yeah. But I like it. Like, with a picture on the box, it says you can blow a straw in it and it will make a bubble. That's definitely not true. If I blew a straw into this, it would not make a bubble. So, let's see if it spreads. I don't know why I was under all that, but it was. No, definitely not. Let's see, it like spreads, but not the way you would think. Okay. So, I would suggest it. So, yeah. Peace. That's probably the end of the video. Okay, for real, guys. Peace.